Hello travelers, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another new video from 10-Minute Solution. Today we will learn about MRI, and as you can see in the image, this is a 103D image. We will review how we can nicely extract the 100 structure from this image. So first we come here. After coming, we select the MIP option, and as soon as we do that, you can see the kidney blood here. See how nicely it has appeared? Now what we need to do is keep the kidney, ureter, and bladder according to this anatomical position and remove everything else that remains. And to cut this, what we need to do is come here and look at the 5 options. Now we will carefully observe and then cut everything away, as you can see. And there's another thing I forgot to mention to you. 10-Minute Solution BD regularly uploads educational videos here, which can be very helpful for you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe right now. And look, we have to work very carefully. Because if this ever gets cut off for us, let's say you accidentally cut it here, how will you bring it back? Here, there's this undo option. If you press it once, it will return to its previous state. I pressed F10 on the keyboard to do this. I just made the change. If you want to make it even more 3D, then go to VRT. Once you click on VRT, it will turn into 3D. So see how beautifully we did this through storytelling. I also brought it into the KUB structure as part of the process. See how it looked at first and now how beautiful the structure has become, right? I believe that if you watch this carefully, you'll be able to do even better work or show better performance than me in the future. Also, if you have anything you want to know, you can comment, and through the comments you can also share any questions you have in your mind. And let us know in the comments where you are watching the video from. See how beautifully it's coming along? It's coming together so nicely, isn't it? So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and share. Thank you, everyone.